Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is October 4th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not your financial advisor or anybody's financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir had not finished going down. So Palantir went further, $1.16 down, 4.77%. We closed at 23.17, and post-market we are even Steven at 23.17. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So we have a big red candle here. So we had stopped on Friday on 23.74. So we had stopped on it and we had some buying pressure here. But that did not last long. So today we opened right here and just wait straight down. A little wick at the bottom, so some buying pressure again. And we have reached, let me tell you, it's going to be 23.17. That's the support that the stock settled onto. So this also fits with this top here. And somebody mentioned in the comments that we had a gap to fill here when the candles don't overlap. So here we have overlapping candles one over the other. So it makes it so that every price has been traded at. But here we don't have an overlapping candle between this one and this one. So we have a gap here in the price. So the theory is that when you have a gap in the price, the gap is going to be filled eventually. It can be filled at any point. So it can take years, or it can take days or months or weeks, blah, blah, blah. This was a great call. So basically the gap was filled. The gap was filled today. The stock should be resuming, but you can wait until there are other indications before entering this stock. So let's look at the 1 hour chart. Pretty much look at this. Big red candle that stopped at 23.17, and look at all the other candles. This is a little bit of a joke. Very low volatility. There's an even pressure between the buyers and the sellers. Very even pressure between the two, and they are basically exchanging all of the stocks. People are just exchanging stocks, and they are agreeing on the price. They are agreeing on the price. So 23.17 looks like a very important number. For stochastic on the hourly chart, stochastic super low. Everything is pretty much negative because all of this dropped down. Let's go back to the daily chart. So stochastic at 239. MACD we don't have the two lines above zero. So this is why I'm going to bring this red thumb down. When the two lines are above zero, this is an indication that things are moving up a little bit. So now we have lost that indication. Let me just reposition my thumb down. And DMI super low. Yeah. So you need to decide for yourself again, have we reached the bottom? Have we reached the bottom? This is the support at 23.17. So you can decide to buy at this point and risk that this is the bottom. Or you can wait for some indication. You can wait until MACD crosses back over. You can wait until stochastic goes over 20. This is one of the strategies that some people use. You can wait for a combination of indicators like MACD crossing over bullish and also stochastic over 50. So you need to find your own indicators based on your level of risk and level of reward that you would like to get. This is one of the reasons why I don't tell anybody when to buy and when to sell, because this is a very personal decision. Every financial decision is very personal. Anyway, so let's stay tuned. Let's see if 23.17 is going to hold. That's the big question. Let's see if it holds tomorrow and for the rest of the week. And if it holds, then at some point it's going to break this resistance here. And then we are maybe going to start talking about maybe a new bull trend. Because right now we are in this bear trend. And until we break this line here, we are still in the bear trend. And for the new people here, the stock might be doing this and still be in this bear trend, this bear channel. So to be outside of this bearish channel, the stock needs to break this. It can break it here, it can break it here, it can break it here. But until it breaks this, we are still in this bearish channel. And the safest thing to do is just to wait until that resistance is broken before getting in long. So that's the safest thing to do. The safest thing to do is not the same thing as the strategy that will get you the most profit. The strategy that will get you the most profit is more risky, is to consider this the bottom right now and get into the stock right now. But then there's no assurance that this is really the bottom. There's some probabilities that this is the bottom. So you need to decide what is your strategy. Do you want to risk stuff to get the best returns, or you want to enter something that has the most chances of going in the direction that you want it to? You need to make your decision for yourself. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. You can become a member of this YouTube channel if you like what I do. You can click on the TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this tool I'm using and get a discount on it. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.